Hello, everyone. This is Neena from Ajayasthramani Guru, bringing you the latest updates and in-depth analysis on various commodities. Today, we are focusing on the recent developments in the wheat market, where we've seen some significant movements. The Chicago Board of Trade, CBOT, wheat futures have dropped to life-of-contract lows. This decline is mainly due to the ongoing winter wheat harvest in the Northern Hemisphere and projections of substantial crops in the United States and Russia. On Monday, CBOT September soft red winter wheat fell by 18 cents, settling at $5.32 per bushel, after hitting a low of $5.31. This bearish trend was further intensified by declines in CBOT corn and soybean futures. It's not just CBOT wheat experiencing this pressure. KC September hard red winter wheat decreased by 12 cents to $5.55 per bushel, and MGEX September spring wheat fell by 17 cents, closing at $5.81. Most KC and MGEX wheat contracts have also reached life-of-contract lows. One of the key factors driving this trend is the increase in Russia's wheat crop forecast. Russia's IKAR agricultural consultancy has raised its forecast to 83.2 million metric tons, up from the previous estimate of 82 million tons. As the world's largest wheat exporter, this forecast has added downward pressure on wheat prices globally. Traders are also digesting the U.S. Department of Agriculture's USDA recent monthly supply-demand reports. These reports project the U.S. 2024 wheat harvest at 2.008 billion bushels, surpassing analysts' expectations. Ahead of the USDA's weekly crop progress report, analysts surveyed by Reuters expect the government to rate 75% of the U.S. spring wheat crop in good to excellent condition, unchanged from the previous week. They also anticipate the winter wheat harvest to be 74% complete. Additionally, the USDA reported U.S. wheat export inspections at 533,828 metric tons for the latest week, exceeding trade expectations of 275,000 to 500,000 tons. These updates highlight the substantial impact of global crop forecasts and ongoing harvests on wheat futures. Market participants are closely watching the USDA's reports for further insights. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Ajayasthramani Guru for more updates and analysis on the commodities market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest news. Thank you for watching.